The mission for community-based innovation is to address four main goals. One is to foster real-world impact by working in partnership with communities and community organizations. The second is to develop a STEM workforce with our graduate and undergraduate students who's familiar with working in partnership with communities. The third is to nurture youth interest in STEM so we can contribute to the development of future scientists and engineers. And the fourth is to strengthen the local capacity for organizations to address engineering and STEM-related challenges. The biggest distinction for a community-based innovation is that when we're trying to solve engineering challenges, we want to work in partnership with communities. So understanding that they are the experts for their lived experiences, that they have assets that they bring to the table, and we want to learn from them and work with them to come up with solutions. So the Community-Based Innovation Mini Grants Program is a new program we established to help seed efforts in our three main areas of focus: community-engaged research and design, community-based learning, and STEM outreach.
In my research, I'm implementing a method called community-based system dynamics modeling, and I'm working with a rural community in North Carolina to model their food system and better understand the root causes of different problems and where it might be most effective to intervene within the food system to have the outcomes that they want to see. It was really important for me to be able to compensate research participants for their time because that allows the project to be accessible to everyone. And so the Pratt CBI mini grant allowed me to do that, and not many grants would see that as a viable reason to use their funding. A lot of people are trying to feed their community and working long hours in their food system related jobs or farming long hours, trying to produce crops. People said that it gave them more hope because they knew that they didn't have to fix everything in the food system. They could just work on one thing, maybe whatever they feel most able or skilled to work on, and that it could have a ripple effect across the system.
We have programs such as Outreach Design Education, GEM, Duke Ignite. Our Shared Materials Instrumentation Facility has a very long history of engaging in STEM outreach activities. One program that we've developed specifically out of community-based innovation is a partnership with Durham Public Schools Community Education, and this is the office that is responsible for after-school programming.
My role is primarily to facilitate learning opportunities for students that happen outside of the classroom, within the classroom setting. I define it as preparing students for life outside of the lab and off of the paper. And so this is why my courses are focused on teaching them the tools and then having them practice the tools in a real world setting. So for someone who is unfamiliar with community-based learning, that just really means getting out into the community and practicing the things that you have learned.
So one thing that we're very excited about is that in July 2026, we received a $450,000 grant from the Mary Duke Biddle Foundation to help scale up some of our STEM outreach activities that already exist within the school. And so we're really looking forward to the partnership with that foundation. It's not simply about solving problems, it's about working in partnership with communities to understand the root causes of those problems and to come up collaboratively with solutions that can last for the long run.